The only thing I ever wanted to do was becoming a musician. So I moved to Vienna to study music there at the conservatory in Vienna, which is a very highly prestigious conservatory. I was practicing like 8-9 hours a day, literally get up, play guitar, eat, go to sleep, and then repeat the whole thing. Until I woke up one morning and I had this like sharp burning pain in my left arm. I went to the doctor and they were like, you can never ever play guitar anymore. It's over. Like, you shouldn't. You have tendinitis. That was one of the harshest times in my life because my dream has just been taken away from me. Like, everything you've ever dreamed of, gone. I was so unhappy with my life. I had no more purpose, no more vision. I didn't know what the hell I'm gonna end up as. I came from such a dark place with that depression of where I wouldn't know what to do with my life. So I obviously go on Google and Google how to pick up girls. And I'm like, wait, you can learn this? And I was so excited about that I just started taking action.